We are going to create SM logo, a short logo. So just follow as we proceed. So we delete this text, the new text. Then we click on text and edit. We type our SM. We move to text size. We come here, text size here. We enlarge this text. Then we move ahead to change the interface or the image size to YouTube thumbnail. Yeah, so like this. Then we come and change the font size. The font is here. We change the font. They are here. You can change it to any font that you prefer to work with. Any font. So let's say I select this font. Yeah. So we are good to go. We are good to proceed. So from here, what do I need to do? All that I need to do is to bring a shape. We have shapes here. So we click shapes. Then we come here. You click here. Then we select this shape. This one. Yeah. So we enlarge it small. Then we reduce the size. You can use your hand to do that. After that, you rotate it this way. You rotate it and position it on our letter M, S or SM. You position it here. After that, what do you need to do? We need another shape. So we select shape, the first one. Let's change the color to black. Yeah. So we reduce the size again. We make it small. Okay, we are good to go. After that, you rotate it. Yeah, just rotate it and place on this. It seems we have to reduce it again. We position it here. Then we yeah. So after that, we come to our merge or layer button. We merge everything. We merge the three. Alright, I hope we are all following. So after merging this, we come here, we click here, then we select erase color. We have erase color here, then you click on erase color. Boom. That is not all. You tap on this. Now you use it to beat the black color here. You use this to beat it. Then you come here, you mark it. You click on that mark. Can you see? Can you see? So this is okay. This is okay for us. So now we can move ahead and add texture. We move here, we come to texture, or better still, we can add what? Color. But let's select the texture. Let's select our texture. The texture, you have to download it. You go to Google and you type background, 3D background. Okay, can you see something here? Everything is merged. So we have to come back. Let's change this color to black. Let's change the color to black. After that, we bring a small shape. Let's do this before we proceed. Let's change the color also to black. So we reduce the size of this. We move to the relative size and remove it. We make it, let's position it on the edge. We make it so small. Okay, then we come to the layer and merge the two. Okay, now we can proceed and select our background. This is just a tutorial, so let's just select any background. Let's say something like this. I don't want the video to be so long, so we have something like this. All right, so we are going to make copy of this. We make a copy. After copying, we come to eraser. Then we enable this and erase the top one. We come to eraser and use it to clean the top here. We use it to clean the top. You make sure you clean it well. You clean it very, very well. After cleaning, you enable. Then you come back here and select and delete that background or that texture and select another texture for it. Alright. Let's use something like this. Alright, so we enable, then we put it on this. We place it here, position it here. We position it. Good. So we have something like this. So after that, you can merge the two. You merge the two quickly. So after merging, what do you have to do? You come to stroke. You stroke it small. we move on to 3D rotation. You just play around, just play around it, just play around. We have the 3D shape. You play around it small, you play around it. Okay, we move to shadow. You reduce it small. Then we come to the emboss. The emboss, you emboss it. You emboss it small. You allow. Then we come to this place. We come here. As we come here, we select the background. The background. Let's say from gallery. Let's select background from any background from our gallery. The background too, you can go and download some and download it from, let's say, background like this. This is just a tutorial, so I don't want the video to be long. And now we can save it as project. We save it as project first. You type any name and save it as project. Then you save it as image. Good. Okay, so we can add our name to it. Let's say we type SM logo. SM logo. We change let's say SM logo branding. Logo brand. So something like this. You change the font as well. After changing the font, what we do? We can add color to it. Let's say a color like this. We also play around it, or we merge. Let's merge everything. Since we play around the first one, let's play around the second one before we merge everything. We emboss it. Then we merge everything. So this is